Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Raj Bhatt. Hope you all are doing great in your life. So today I am bringing another video for you guys, and this video will let you know how do we create an S3 bucket with public access. So let's go ahead. So in my case, I have already created one bucket here with the name my bucket for testing, and it has nothing there as of now. Okay, come to the permissions, and first of all log public access. This section you have to click on edit and uncheck this. Once this will you will uncheck this option, these all options will go away, which are by default selected to block any public access. Let's save the changes, confirm, click on confirm. Okay, this is done. Now the second thing that we have to do is we have to edit the bucket policy. So in this bucket policy we have to allow uh, permissions for everyone to access this bucket and whatever permissions are required here. So this is the policy which I have created. Simply paste it here. Okay, or the another way which you can do is just click on this policy generator. Okay, from here select S3 bucket. In principle we have to allow everyone. Okay, so let's click, give it a star symbol for wildcard, and then service is Amazon S3. Actions, what all apps permission you guys require. So in my case I will go ahead and give it get object, and then put object, and let's say delete object as well. Okay, so these three permissions: put object, get object, and delete object. Now here you can mention the ARN of your S3 bucket, which you can get from here. Click on this and put it here. Okay, now click on add statement and generate a policy. So the policy has been generated, and if you look into it, in principle everything is allowed, and in resource this is related to specific to this S3 bucket, and the permissions are delete object, get object, put object. So simply copy this and paste it here. All right, all right, so this is done. Let's try to save it. Okay, now this is saved. Let's refresh it. Okay, now if you look into it, it says the access is now public. So this is the way we can make our bucket publicly accessible. Hope this video is going to help you, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share and comments. Thank you so much. Have a great day.